Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from June 25th. The main things they're working on are reducing the cost of their cloud infrastructure. Video is expensive and they want to be a profitable business. David said relax mode is looking okay, but there seems to be a percentage of people who are automating their generations, so they might change it to higher wait times or reduce the number of concurrent jobs. He said that relax mode was built around excess capacity, but that extra capacity doesn't actually exist anymore. So it's unlikely at the moment for relax mode to be opened up to more subscription tiers. It's only been a week though, maybe the usage will change throughout the month. That's kind of what they're thinking about. David actually described their business as being like a gym. The most profitable gym is a place that has lots of members who never show up. If everyone showed up at once, the gym would be unusable. It's an interesting analogy and I think it makes sense. He said they want to train a bigger video model, but it's super expensive, which means they could also partner with another company to train that bigger model. They're in talks with them, but he says it would be nice to not have to rely on someone else. David said that coherence tends to be more about model size, while beauty comes from some fine-tuning. There is actually a new video rating section in the task menu of the website that you can earn more fast hours from. They're working on a video upscaler. He thinks it looks good, but there are some artifacts. They're also trying to make it reasonably priced. They're working on a start and end frame feature. That sounds amazing. I know people have been asking for that. He hopes this feature will also work as a way to loop the video. They were working on a Niji specific video model, but the Niji team wasn't happy with how it's been going so far. They're also working on a general update to the video model, but that's hard to say when it will be ready and also hard to say what it will do. They're training some aspects of the version 8 model, and maybe those things might be able to integrate into the version 7 model, but they honestly don't know. They're in the research stage. We might have some new settings coming that will improve mood board performance, but they haven't tested it yet. They're also still working on the Style Explorer. He thinks cool things will happen, and a turbo mode for video might come as well. If you like the moving art in this video, here is the prompt. We use my tunnel vision mood board. --P ZYF WE56. All of these videos were made by members of my community, the Future Tech Academy. Check us out in the description below if you want your art showcase next week. With so many good videos, I'm just going to let them all play out. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.